good afternoon or good morning, depending on where you are in the world. Tonight we're making pasta from our tiny van. Tim's the head chef and he's going to show you how we make it. We make this at least once a week for the past few years, so cook with us in our tiny van. So first up we need to cook our pasta, so we're just going to boil some water. And add some salt to make it taste extra good. We're using this spiral pasta, but you can use whatever pasta you like. And that has to cook for about 10 minutes.
That's looking better. I think it's probably done at this point. Ready.
Looks like it's done, so now time to drain. Don't mind me just draining my pasta in the pot. Okay, now we have our cooked pasta, and now the fun begins with the pasta sauce. Just heating up some oil, ready for our veggies. We're making a sort of bolognese, lentil bolognese, but it's by no means traditional, so if you're Italian, just close your eyes for the rest of the video. Adding some extra veggies. Obviously add whatever veggies you want. So we've got some lentils in there now and a can of tomatoes. Give her a mix-a-roo.
Next up, we have to add some herbs.
Hope you like herbs.
And some
Chicken stock powder.
nice big, quite a lot here, so we'll go with a nice big spoonful. About a half teaspoon of salt. Let's mix that in. If it's too salty for you, you can add maybe a teaspoon of raw sugar. Adds a nice caramelization to the onions as well, but we like to keep it healthy. Put the lid on.
So we're just adding half a cup of water to let the veggies cook down nice and goodly. Scrumptious.
Chuck the lid back on and let it simmer.
Simmer it down for a bit.
Simmer down. Starting to look real nice. That's what we want. Just going to add some tomato paste next to make it nice and saucy.
We got the kale, so we're putting that in now for extra nutrients because we like to be healthy, and kale is kind of enjoyable sometimes.
Well, it is when it's cooked.
Yeah. Steam it up.
So we'll just push it down a little bit into the sauce.
Smush.
Get that heat to wrap all the way around it, and that'll help it cook a bit quicker. And we'll pop the lid back on.
Steam it up. Alright, taste test, see if you need to add anything.
Yeah. Perfect as it is.
Oh, perfect.
Yum. If you make this at home, guys, let us know. There you go.
Veggie pasta.
Cooked in our tiny van kitchen.
Tiny van pasta.
Perfect.
Now I like to add some hummus on top, which is not conventional, but I think it makes it kind of cheesy. It's kind of like my cheese, so I like to add it on top, smush it all around. Tim thinks it's gross.
I like it too sometimes. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy this sort of content, please let us know and we'll make more of it. And well, that's about it.